Guys, let's just unpack this story. Hey, the story is actually very heartbreaking. Sikatshego Ndebele from Atteridgeville, who was actually unalived by a boyfriend in a 43. She's 31. I was just like, this guy. And this guy was actually on parole. He unalived someone. So a number of political parties were actually outside there to support the family at the court, because he has actually appeared in court, and Tshego was buried yesterday, 21st. The family said he is very, very evil, this guy. Oh, devil. Those were the words actually that I saw on Facebook. The community in Atteridgeville is actually very, very tired. They just like, he must get a harsh sentence. GBVs is just too much for them, because in the past 2 weeks, they also found another woman unalived in some damn sites. Guys, before then, it was Tshego Ndebele. They just like, no, they are tired and people are getting away with stuff. People are getting bails. Katiso bayakwazi ukwathola amabheli of 400,000 and bribe a judge for 1 million rands. Guys, people are just doing whatever they want to do. Umuntu ebebhizi. I'm an entrepreneur. Wawuthisha. He was a teacher, this guy. I don't know what is his problem. What decided to go Tlalimat sent him on a house in, he's from Soweto, on a house that's 24 million, said that he can be getting tenders and unaliving people in the midst of that. It's crazy thing. The family said he is a devil because in a state nje abamthole ngaso on top of the bed, they were just like, umntana wethu azabe kanje ngoba why, and they were even saying ukuthi she grew up without her mother, but nje she was just a nice girl. She was, she was very respectful. She was basically nje loved by everybody. And apparently she got like a court order for him after he was beating her and then doing stuff to her. And I'm even thinking, because he was 43, he was controlling her. I'm sure I'm threatening her. Guys, you jailbird valley. 15 years ago, this person unalived someone. And the sister of the person that he unalived. So the sister was just like, you know what, Lomuntu did unalive my family member. He must just rot in jail. And in fact, Ababu said a death penalty. I was just like, it does fit him. And if him is just like in the States, it's telling us, so it's like devil belalo. May her soul rest in peace, Utsego. Yo, as in Cabanga Fundelo Utsego, he was just about to graduate next month, UNISA. She just doesn't deserve that. No one does, guys. I always say, no one does. We all deserve to live to the fullest. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel. You can turn that over.